What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys haven't already, definitely you guys have to subscribe to my channel, which I don't know what you guys are waiting for. You guys can hit the subscribe button right there, right in the corner, so you can watch my newest and latest videos that I do just for you guys each and every week. And I really don't even know why I talk with my hands like this. I feel like I'm that lady that try to pretend like she knew sign language or something. But yeah, other than that, you guys, I did this purple smoky glam makeup look. Literally, if you guys are trying to find a different option of a color to do for Valentine's Day instead of like your reds, your cranberries, and your bronze colors, this is definitely a go-to look right here, which is perfect for any date night out. And he would just be looking at you like mesmerized, like, damn girl. And speaking of damn girl, like, aren't you feeling my whole like Jennifer Lopez, J-Lo type tease like I got going on with my hair, giving you very versatility, style, glam, you know what I'm saying? No, but for real, you guys, if you guys want to know how to create this look, and if you guys do love this look, give this video a thumbs up because I would so appreciate it. So yeah, let's get straight to the tutorial, you guys, and how to create this makeup look right here. So keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I'm going to take is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This is literally one of my this is my favorite drugstore foundation, and this is in the shade Caramel Beige number 108. And you guys, if you guys have oily skin, literally this should be your holy grail drugstore foundation, because it literally controls all of your oils throughout the day, seriously. Okay, next we're going to take our Kevyn Aucoin's Super Natural Concealer in the shade Light EC02, and this is, I like a bright under eye. I don't know about you guys, but I do. I know it looks really, really bright right now, but once you blend it out, it's not going to be as bright as what you see. So don't be alarmed, you guys. Do not be alarmed. I'm trying to take it back to, you know, Kim K in early 2000s. Okay. Then I'm going to take a Morphe M439 brush, and I'm just going to blend that in. Okay, once we place everything down on our face, we're going to set all of that with our Laura Mercier Universal Setting Powder and a MAC flat brush. And you really don't want to use too much powder, because that's where I feel like everything can go like really, really wrong and haywire, like seriously. So kind of like go light with the powder. Okay, so now that we're done setting our face, we're going to use a bronzing palette, and the palette I'm going to take out, of course, is the Morphe the 9BZ bronzing palette and a Real Technique powder brush, and we're going to take these two colors right here in the palette by contouring our cheekbones, on the sides of our forehead, down our jawline. Then we're going to take a Morphe Fluffy blending brush, and we're going to take the same two colors in the Morphe 9BZ bronzing palette and just go down the sides of our nose. Okay, you guys, so now it's time to highlight, which is my favorite part, and I'm going to take the Artist Couture's Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Yes and a Morphe M501 brush. And I kind of like to spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus just to get a little bit of wet and damp, and apply that right onto my cheekbones. Look how gorgeous that is. And on my brow bone as well, and a little bit on my forehead, on my cupid's bow, and down the bridge of my nose as well. And on the inner corners of my eyes as well. Next, I'm going to take one of my other favorite blushes, and this is literally an OG, so I'm going to go way, way back, and I hope you guys remember this. This is the NARS Orgasm Blush, which I'm sure everyone has used in their lifetime, and if you haven't, you've been living under a rock your whole life. This is literally like a gorgeous blush that everyone should have in their makeup kit. Literally everyone. It's so gorgeous. And we're going to take a Real Technique blush brush, and we're just going to apply that. And making sure that you guys blend that highlight and that bronzer together so it can be a nice, flawless, even blend, and also bringing that up to that hairline as well. Okay, so now that we're done with our face makeup, we're going to move on to our eyebrows, which I'm going to do them off of camera, so I'm going to be right back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so now that we're done with our eyebrows, we're going to move on to our eyeshadows now, and let's just jazz this look up a little bit, and let's play with some color. So of course we have to take the Morphe, what is this, the 35B palette, and I'm feeling very purple vibes, just, you know, like orchid, just plums, purples, something just smoky as well. I don't know. Let's just see what I'm about to create. So I'm going to take the Morphe MB23 fluffy blending brush, Let's go in with this color right here, like a pinkish, purplish color. And let's put that right into our crease. Okay, you guys, so let's just deepen up this crease just a little bit, and let's take this purple shade right here and a Morphe R35 blending brush, and we're just going to put that on just that inner crease. And taking this darker purple color right here in the palette and the same fluffy blending brush, we're going to just put that right underneath our lower lash line and really smoke that out and bring that up and out as well. And you can even go right back into that crease if you guys like, just to darken that up just a little bit more. There you go. Now it's gonna come together. Look at all this purple lusciousness. Oh, you can just never go wrong with purple eyeshadows. Never. It's like a staple. Everyone's supposed to have it in the makeup kit. Trust me, you guys. Everyone. Okay, you guys, so now that we're almost done with the eyeshadows, we have one more color left to go, and we're going to put that on the lid, and we're going to take the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette, and we're going to dive into this purple color right here, which is called Twilight, and we're going to put that right onto our lid. Gorgeous. Okay, you guys, so now that we're done with our eyeshadows, which I am in love with right about now because purple is my favorite color. Let me know if this is your favorite color as well, and if you guys are feeling this, give this video a like and leave a comment section below. I'm just loving this look so far, and it's going to get even better when we put these lashes on, which are from Slay Lashes in the style Bad and Bougie, and you guys can use my discount code Valerie to save money off your purchase. And I'm going to do them off of camera as well as coat my lashes with some mascara, so I'll be right back, you guys. And voila, this is the finished makeup look, you guys. I know I was supposed to come back and do my lips, but I got some samples of a product that I'm actually going to probably launch at the end of the year, so I'm extremely excited about that. And I just mixed two of the colors. So so 2018 is going to be a freaking amazing year. I hope you guys stick along with me on this ride, on this crazy, wonderful, amazing ride that we're about to go on. I know it's going to probably be ups and downs just like any roller coaster, but I'm prepared for it, and I hope you guys are too. So other than that, I really hope that you guys love this purple smoky eye that I got going on, and these bronzy skin, and just something that is just ultra glam, something I really love to do. You know, I'm just you can't go wrong with the smoky eye for me. You just can't. That is a staple. That is something that you just want to go out and you want to slay the scene. You definitely want to do this look right here. So yeah, other than that, you guys, if you guys do love this makeup look, give this video a thumbs up because it would help my channel up so much. And obviously leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you guys think about this makeup look. And obviously, if you guys haven't already, which you guys definitely should already have, subscribe to my channel right there, right in the corner, so you can watch my newest and latest videos that I do just for you guys each and every week. So other than that, you guys, remember, it is your vision. It is whatever you make it, as long as you make it freaking fabulous. Until the next one, you guys. Mwah.